Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in previous video we have learned how to install LM Studio in your local computer and how to download open source LLM model in LM Studio and run it in your local system. So in this video we are going to be seeing another tool which is good for low configuration laptop and PCs where you have pretty minimum hardware. So it's a CLI based tool, so it means it runs LLM model in your terminal. It does not have any kind of GUI system like LM Studio. So we need to install a separate application for it to use Ollama with a GUI interface. So for that we will be using a open source alternative named Open WebUI. So it will give us a GUI interface like ChatGPT, which will give us a ChatGPT like front-end interface where you can communicate with your Ollama. So at first we will install Ollama, then we will install Open WebUI. So to download Ollama, we need to first visit Ollama website and download Ollama in your computer. Go to ollama.com and click download. So Ollama runs on different operating system also like Mac OS, Linux and Windows. So if you are using Linux, so you just need to run this command in your terminal and it will install it. So for Windows, you need to download a .exe file. So let's download it. So after downloading, we are going to be installing it. So in the meantime, let's see how to download models. So to models, you can go to Ollama, then models. Ollama has its own open source LLM repository. So if you need to download any LLM, you need to come to this page and open any LLM, let's say DeepSeek R1. And in here, and you need to just run this terminal. So there are many versions like 70B, 1.5B, 8B, okay. And this is the quantization information. So it's a Q4 model and this is a 7.62 billion parameter model. And there is also a 8 billion parameter model which we have installed in previous video in LM Studio. So we will be installing same models in here also. So after downloading, let's install Ollama. Okay, click install. So after installing, it will run automatically. So you can see here Ollama is running. So let's click in it here. Okay. So to check Ollama if it is installed correctly, you just type Ollama and you will see all these comments. So to start the Ollama server, you need to run Ollama serve. You can stop the server by running Ollama stop. So to get list of model, you will run Ollama list. So let's check it in here, Ollama list. So there are no downloaded model. So let's download one. So we will be downloading this DeepSeek R1 8 billion parameter model. So let's copy it, paste it and then enter. So first it will check if the model is exist in your local or not. If it is not existed, then it will download the model, then run the model in your terminal. So our model is successfully downloaded and it's currently running in our terminal. So let's chat with it. Okay. So who are you? So it is generating response pretty much fast. Okay. So let's ask a question. Let's say, what is the capital of India? So you can see here compared to LM Studio, it is pretty much fast because it does not have any GUI and it's completely running on the terminal. So RAM usage is pretty much same. We have 10 GB of RAM usage. Okay. And there is no GPU usage. You can see ideally it is 0.4. So to exit from a running model, we need to type exit. Okay. So let's download another model. Okay, we will be downloading Llama 3.2 1 billion parameter. So let's download this model. So this is a small model. So if you have a low configuration laptop or low configuration PC, you can try that. So in the meantime, let's check about the front end application that we are talking about. So Ollama does not have any built-in GUI system. So we are going to be installing this OpenUI front end. Okay. So click on get Open WebUI. So this is the GitHub repository. Here is the screenshot. So as you can see, it's like ChatGPT like interface. Okay. So let's install it. So you can install it in two ways. One is using pip, that will be the Python package manager, and next will be Docker. So if you know Docker, then you can just run this command, then the application will run automatically. So if you are using Docker only, so you can just download Ollama with OpenUI package. So that will be the bundle. So because we have installed Ollama in our local system, we will be using this pip method, that will be the Python package manager. So for that we need to install Python 3.11. Okay, so this is the dependency dependency. So to download Python, you need to go to this Python website and find this Python 3.11. So download this Python, okay, Python 11.9. If you scroll down, you can see here is the Windows installer. So here is your Windows installer. So download it and then install it, okay. Next thing you need to install is Node.js. So download Node LTS version. I have already downloaded these two dependency. So to check if Python and Node is successfully installed in your local system, Python. So Python 11.9 and same goes for Node dash version. So Node is in my case 23.2. Okay. So let's install OpenWebUI. So first we need to create a folder. So let's create a folder OpenWebUI. So first we need to create a folder OpenWebUI. Let's go inside it. Open terminal. So before installing any Python application, we need to create a virtual environment so that the dependency does not conflict with other applications. So Python -m vnb. So it will create a folder in our directory. Then we need to activate this environment. Okay. So let's open git bash to see it clearly. Okay. So let's say this is our root directory and let's activate this virtual environment. So source, then so after it's activated, you can see there is a bracket and name of our environment. So to check if environment is activated, we can type which Python. So the Python path will be our local directory. So it is inside in here. So script, and this is the Python. Okay. So now whatever package we will be installing, it will be installing under this folder. Okay. So let's install OpenWebUI. Copy this command, run it. It will take some time to download all the packages and install OpenWebUI. So download is complete. So let's run OpenWebUI. Paste OpenWebUI serve. Okay, it will take some time to load at first. So at first it will take some time to load the application. Okay, so go to localhost 8080 to open the application. As you can see, it is similar to your online application. And in here you need to create a local admin user. So email can be anything, so it does not relate to your online or original email. Okay, so this is our application. Okay, let's go. Let's minimize it. Let's see the RAM use. So it is currently using 5.1 GB, and this is the GPU memory. Okay, and this is the processor. As you can see here, we have these models loaded inside here. So in the meantime, I have installed Ollama 3.21 billion parameter model and Ollama 3 8 billion parameter model. Okay, so these are the three models. So let's click one. Okay, DeepSeek R1, and let's try. Okay, let's open the stats. So our memory usage is same. So our memory usage is 10.6. And this is our GPU usage because we are not using any kind of GPU right now. And let's test its RAG capabilities like we did in LM Studio. So I will be asking the same question. Okay, I will be asking the same question about me and my technical skill set. Because there is no data inside it, obviously it will predict some random answer, and it is generating some random text. Okay, let's stop it. So I have uploaded my CV and let's ask the same question. So after thinking, it is generating some response. So previously it does not know anything about me, but after uploading my existing knowledge to this model, so after like uploading some external data, so it is generating some response, and it is quite correct. Okay, so this is a full stack developer for 4 years, and this is my domain, and this is my technical stack. So it is working. Okay, like LM Studio, we can also optimize this model by offloading some of this calculation layer to the GPU memory. So to do that, you need to go to controls, and from here you can just tweak this parameter num GPU. Okay, so let's tweak this parameter to 16. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so let's go to GPU. Okay, there is no change, and let's like ask the same question. So let's ask a logical question. Is he no React? Okay, and let's see the system. Okay, still there is no GPU memory usage, only we are using CPU, and this is the RAM usage. Okay, so I think Ollama does not support integrated GPU, so it's only support NVIDIA GPU. If you find any solution how to use Ollama with the integrated GPU, do let me know in the comment section below. I will try it. Okay, so it is thinking, because we are not using any kind of like GPU acceleration, so it is taking some time. So it is generating some response. Okay, after thinking. Okay, yes, he has experience with React and other front-end technology. So as you can see, our RAG model is also working. Okay, let's check Llama 3 8 billion parameter model. You can just click it and also like check it. So let's delete it. Okay, we will be creating a new session. So we will be creating a new session. So let's upload. So let's upload my CV. Okay, and ask the same question. Let's see how Llama 3 is performing. Okay, so it is generating some response. As you can see, so it is generating some response. So it is telling my skill set. Okay, so JavaScript, React, Node.js, Python. So it is also working with Llama 3. So it is generating some information. Let's say I'm a senior software developer engineer, 4 years of experience. This is my domains, and this is my technical skills. But DeepSeek R1 generate a little bit nicer. Okay, so let's see some other features that OpenWebUI provides. Okay, so this is my account. So let's go to admin panel. LM Studio is a like individual desktop application. Only one user can use it at a time. But because OpenWebUI is a web-based application, multiple user can use it if they can access your network. You can also create groups and also users. So this is admin users, and also you can create some normal users, because depending on the role, like user, admin. Okay, and this is some functions also where you can like upload multiple functions. We will see in future videos also. We will see that in future videos. This is the settings. Okay, you can also chat with OpenAI if you have a paid API key. We can close this so that OpenUI does not connect with internet. We want to use it totally in our local network. So these are the Ollama models. You can also enable and disable it. This is web search. You can also enable web search if you want. But if you want to use any web engine, you need to you need to have a API. So DuckDuckGo is a open source search engine, so we can use that. Let's save it. Okay, and let's create a new chat. So there is our web search. So we can do also web search in here. So in future video, we will be exploring more about OpenWebUI. It's an open source application, and it has many functionality like a RAG system, chat system. Also you can because it's a Python application. If you know Python and HTML, JavaScript, because it's a Python application, if you know Python, so you can also create your custom application with it, and it's also open source, so you can use it anywhere. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you like it. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and see you next time. Bye.